Hello friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss topology. Okay, reference of topological book. Topology G.R. Munker's, General Topology by J.L. Kelley, and Introduction to Topology by K.D. Joshi. I give reference 3 books are very good, and it is available in market, so that you will buy these 3 books and study this. Okay, now I discuss that what is topology. Okay, topology means collection of a means X is a, say X is any set. Okay, X is any set. I start definition. Okay, definition of topology. X is any set and tau is a collection. Okay, X is any set and Px is the collection of all subsets of X. Okay, X is any set and Px is the collection of subsets of all of X, and tau is a subs collection of X. Okay, X is any set and Px is the collection of all subsets of X, and tau is a sub collection of X. Then if it is follow four condition. Okay friends, it's follow 4 condition. Which condition it's follow? It's follow number 1, phi and comma X belongs to tau. Tau does not equals to phi. Okay, number 1, phi belongs to X and tau does not belongs to phi. For each alpha belongs to tau. Okay, alpha belongs to tau. Tau means index number. Alpha belongs to tau. Alpha belongs to J. Sorry, alpha belongs to J. This is called index number. Okay, index number. Then A alpha belongs to, if index number not, it is index set. Okay, alpha belongs to J, it is index set. So A alpha belongs to tau. Then summation of alpha belongs to J. A alpha equals to tau. Okay, summation of A alpha belongs to tau. Then A1 comma A2 belongs to tau. A1 intersection A2 belongs to tau, or A1 union A2 belongs to tau. This is third property and this is fourth property. Belongs to tau then this collection is called topology. Okay, this collection is called topology. What is topology? Topology, it holds four property. Phi comma x obviously belongs to topology is a sub collection of a set, friends. Okay, remember topology is a sub x is any set, and px is the sub total collection of all subsets of x, and tau is a sub collections of px, sub collections of px. Okay, and you will remember tau is proper subset of this. Okay, tau is proper subset of px. Okay, tau is subset of px. Then phi comma x must include in tau, and tau does not equals to phi. Remember, and a1 comma a2 belongs to tau, then a1 intersection a2 belongs to tau, or a1 intersection a2 belongs to tau. This is the fourth condition. If this condition satisfy, then tau is called topology. Tau is called topology. Topology tau is called. Example. Let's start example. What is example? Okay. Example, you can take x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, and tau 1 is equal to 1, x, phi. 1, x, phi. 1, x, phi. Tau 1 is equal to is topology on x. How? Because 1 union x is equal to x belongs to tau. Phi union x equals to x belongs to tau, and intersection 1 intersection x equals to 1 belongs to tau. Phi intersection x is equal to phi belongs to tau, and phi comma x both belongs to tau. So it is topology. It is topology. This is one example. Example 1. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. I write x is equal to phi comma x comma 1 comma 2. This is topology? No, this is not topology. As it is satisfies the two conditions, that x and phi both belongs to j. Sorry, not x, this j belongs to j. X is 1, 2, 3. But when 1 comma union 2, then it is 1, 2, which does not belongs to tau. So friends, it is not topology. Again I will go. Again I will go another chapter. This is the classification of topology. Okay, now I discuss classification. Number 1, discrete topology. Discrete topology. Number 2, indiscrete topology. Number 3, cofinite topology. Number 3, cofinite topology. Discrete topology. Okay friends, discrete topology. What is the discrete topology? Discrete topology, if number 1, discrete notes, discrete topology, X is set, X is a set, and tau equals to topological logical space is equal to tau is topological space equals to px. Px means powers, means all collections. Suppose 1, 2, 3 is x. So px is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. And phi and x. Okay, this is the px, means collection of all subsets. And if tau is equal to px, okay, this is equal to tau. This is the discrete topology. This is the example of discrete topology. Clear friends? I hope it is clear for everyone. Let's go another page. This is the theory class, but this is very important because everything is concept. Another is indiscrete topology. Indiscrete topology. What is indiscrete topology? Indiscrete topology means tau 1 indiscrete topology. Indiscrete topology means if tau is equal to x, phi. If tau is equal to x, phi, then it is called indiscrete. Then x, tau is called indiscrete topology. Next, cofinite topology. Cofinite topology. Let X is infinite set. Okay, X is infinite set and A is subset of X. Okay, then subset of X, tau f is equal to a proper subset of X such that a complement is equal to X minus a, finite. Then it is called, then tau f is cofinite topology. Tau f is cofinite topology. This is very, very important. Another now let's go another topic, that property of cofinite topology. Property, we will discuss property of cofinite topology. Yes, clear for clear. Property of cofinite topology. Number one, subspaces. Number one, okay, subspaces. Every subspaces of topology, every subspaces of topology of the cofinite topology subspaces topology of the cofinite topology is also a cofinite topology. Number two means compactness. Compactness means since every open set contains all but finitely many points of X. All but finitely many point of X. The space X is compact and sequentially compact. Now I discuss what is compact. Okay, compact. a compact set. Compact. What is compact? A subset of Euclidean space being closed and bounded. Okay, a subset of Euclidean space being closed and bounded. This is called compact. Closed means, what is the meaning of the closed? Closed means containing all its limit point. Let's start. What is the meaning of limit point? Limit point. What is limit point? Limit point. It is very, very important. Limit point, to know about a limit point. Limit point, interior point, closure. Okay. Limit point, interior point, and closure. This is the very, very important. Closure means the set of all closed sets. Okay, the intersections of all closed sets which contains A. Okay, let x comma tau, limit point. At first, if we want to know limit point, we have to go closure. We have to know closure. So I discuss the closure. Let x comma tau be a topological space, and a subset of x. A subset of x. The closure of A the closure of A is defined as the intersection of all closed sets. Okay, closed sets which contains A and is denoted by A bar equals to intersection F subset of X such that F is closed and F this. Okay, if A is contained F, always remember A which contains A is always contained F. This is called closure, intersections. Okay, now I discuss limit point. Limit point. What is the limit point? Limit point means let x comma tau be a topological space. Topological space space and A is the subset of X, okay, and a point X belongs to X is called a limit point. Limit point of A if for every G belongs to tau with X belongs to G, with X, small x belongs to G, G belongs to tau, and with X belongs to G, such that G minus X tau does not equals to phi. This is called limit point. We have a lot of problems we will solve this by this theory. So thank you. Today's class, and I will discuss again topology. Okay, let's see everything. I think you know everything. We'll see. Pause the video, pause this video, and write everything. If you will miss any note everything's okay. Noted, and this is also right. You will write this notes. So thank you.